Hey everyone! For today's video, we're going to take a closer look at the Pampered Chef Citrus Press. The citrus press can be used for limes and small lemons. I love how the inner part of the citrus press has a very deep V, meaning that it can get almost every drop out as it almost turns the peel inside out when you use it. I'm going to go ahead and zoom you in closer so you can see how it works. First, we're going to slice the lime in half using our 5-inch Santoku knife. Next, we're going to place the lime cut side down inside the well. And look how much juice comes out. And there you have it, the Pampered Chef Citrus Press. Order yours today.